Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 Hyundai i20 Active. Stock reference number 4428. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2012 through to the 12th month 2015. There's a G4FA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. G4FA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand front. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Left hand headlight does have light sun cracks. This vehicle is fitted with 14-inch steel rims. The left front is a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have one small dent. Right hand tail light. Right rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents. And a right power door mirror. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, power fold type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black 5-speed, black manual center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel without any controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.